Hi everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this short tutorial, we will learn about the way to make Google Chrome more secure using one of the useful features in Chrome itself. If you often use Chrome, remain online and browse a lot of online stuff, then this feature should help you the best. So, let's start. Come to Chrome. Go to 3 dots then Settings. Privacy and Security. Then Security. Here, you will find 3 options. Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, and No Protection. For the best performance, choose Enhanced. Then the facilities of the Enhanced Protection is shown below. If you just use Chrome Enhanced Protection, you will get better and smooth experience without getting trouble from any dangerous site, avoid suspicious downloads, etc. So, this is how you can simply increase the security level of your Google Chrome privacy and security. We make quality tech tutorials. Please be with us and subscribe to inspire. Goodbye.